Villagers of Diring exasperated over the erection of pillars for the construction of a Eklavya school at Diring. Murder convict Calvin Rongpi re-arrested by the police within a week right after his release from Jorhat juvenile cell. Adivasi community of Bokajan bestowed warm welcome to AANLA at Bokajan. Good morning viewers, welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. In 2020, pillar for the construction of Eklavya school was erected at Diring under Duarbaguri MSC constituency. 2 years had passed since the pillar was erected, yet no any construction work was initiated. With a vision to uplift the education culture at Diring region, pillar for the construction of Eklavya school was erected at Diring under Duarbaguri MSC constituency in the year 2020. 2 years had gone, yet no any construction work was carried out, and this had provoked and exasperated the villagers of Diring region. The villagers informed that they are disgusted and not satisfied with the speeches delivered in various meetings and public gatherings over the speedy construction of Eklavya school shortly at Diring by Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAL Autonomous Council, and local representative Richard Dogby, EM in charge of education, KAL Autonomous Council.
Nilo athi school ka vipen nilitum ko an mani tumarat akiduk akisung ke nilitum Diring arasi chichini chop. Aposin nilitum bangke pini bangke ningi punglong la sini tum pherangkia bitung mate KAL arat kachari dim KAL arat bhandani tum ka chuning ri bangke la hello nilitum phan la MP election aprang jong sini tum han ladak nang klem pon pe nang dam pon pe mate isi bang ni tum ang thek thek ponlong le puteni tum Diring arat pen bangke bhude pak ta nilitum bangke pipon thek thek pusini tum bangke rada tum penta chedon sar pen sini tum la bangso alam pe ni tum klem ponlo.
Villagers demand the instant initiation of construction work for the school. Also threatens to boycott the election if the concerned authority fails to initiate the construction work before the general election of the Member of Parliament.
Nitum hanke not MP election aprang nitum hanke labang so ekolaba school pu bangke ini son ba ekdam naking vek nahi pusini tum ke KAL long team mane no ke do bom council ke chari tum hasi nitum ke chuning rilo.
News Desk report for KAL Live. In 2021, Calvin Rongpi was arrested by the police after he was convicted to a murder of two companions, Anisha Ingtipi and Sobita Hansepi at Lokiram Rongphar village, Upper Degrum. It was informed that he was released from the Jorhat juvenile cell in 2022, and within a week right after his release, he was re-arrested on a charge of robbery. Calvin Rongpi was arrested by the police after he was convicted to a murder of two companions, Anisha Ingtipi and Sobita Hansepi, on the same day while they were on their way to a nearby river for fishing at Upper Degrum. This had horrified and caused anxiety among the villagers. Calvin Rongpi was taken to Jorhat juvenile cell as he was underage last year. After keeping him in custody for almost a year, Calvin Rongpi was then liberated from Jorhat juvenile cell in the year 2022. And right after his release from the detention cell, he was engaged in several offences like burglary, robbery and bad deeds. Hence, on 18 September at around 5:30 p.m. late evening, he was caught red-handed by the villagers of Bornirja area. He was later handed over to the police. On asking Calvin Rongpi repeatedly, he informed that he was not the only one indulged in this robbery, but also 3 others were engaged along with him.
Mantu bila so planning claim mantu.
Itu disiden an ajar dinggalan ciklu yang drop siba. Lanwe ni siba KL.
Kali. The whole that ni jingla la phun ka huma bang la.
Kuma bang ninta latan itu party lo sta hala belega phun hala ladak pelo ni tu cekak dah.
Tu bina panang neblong manang neblong le.
Neblong le.
Village headman of the region while speaking to us said Calvin Rongpi had committed a crime and was sent to jail for this reason, and right after his release, he is again engaged in several offences like burglary, robbery and bad deeds, creating anxiety among the villagers. Hence, a crime-convicted individual like him should be detained and never allowed to get along with the mainstream society.
Derbazi alom lom si plang pola so lom si nep chek lo aju der baji lom so lom nep chek lo ma lili hem an ke 2 baji pornang le lo masih gangbura pusi raya strang bang si nili panaing tholo masih nangli hem nangli rong long si lebang so kang pi nep chek lo po si nangli hem along le aja se ta chingwai matiklu pusi nili tum dak chingwai len sar pen si len pan thana pan information pc nili tum police riding si hodai der.
Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati and Subhas Derang's report from Langchathing for Karbi Anglong Live. On 18th of September, Adivasi community residing at various places under Bokajan South Division assembled at Hanjang Langso and bestowed warm welcome to all Adivasi National Liberation Army (AANLA) at Hanjang Langso. Recently, on date 15 of this month, all Adivasi National Liberation Army, in short AANLA, signed an agreement with the Government of India at New Delhi to pace the implementation of all the clause and sub-clauses mentioned at the peace agreement signed long ago. Hence, to express their joy and happiness, Adivasi community residing at Bokajan had assembled together at Hanjang Langso and offered warm welcome to all the signatories. It was informed that some of the clauses mentioned in the agreement include all-round developmental projects, creation of satellite council, grand land patas to Adivasi, and increased allowances to tea gardeners. In this welcoming ceremony, several hundreds of people from Adivasi community, Adivasi students and social organization attended the event. Peter Dung, one of signatories of the agreement, expressed his heartfelt gratitude to all the people for extending their love and support towards AANLA and also to the Government of Assam and Government of India. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.